How to use the OEM Loaner disc brake caliper tool. Remove the caliper following the steps recommended in the vehicle's maintenance manual and remove the brake pads. Select the appropriate adapter from the kit to fit the piston properly and install the backing plate over the handle. Position the thrust bolt against the caliper piston and using the T-handle, turn the thrust bolt while holding the hex portion until it presses up against the piston. Continue tightening by hand until the piston is fully retracted into the bore. When working on rear brakes, select the appropriate adapter. Be sure the piston is positioned so the divots line up with the notch portion on the adapter. Position the thrust bolt against the caliper piston. Using the T-handle, turn the thrust bolt until it presses up against the piston while holding the hex portion with a wrench. You may need to readjust the body of the pressure screw assembly to allow for clearance between the disc and the piston. When working with rear disc brake calipers, you have to spin the piston as you compress it. Continue tightening by hand until the piston is fully retracted into the bore.